What is going on? Are you a masonry contractor looking for a new website? Well, I've got some good news for you. First of all, we build those websites, but I first want to walk you through some things to pay attention to when you're building a website, whether you're upgrading your website, and when you're kind of thinking about design. So first of all, you want to talk about what you do and where you do it for a few reasons. SEO is one of the things we do here at Blue Crocus Solutions. So I'm always looking at ways to help your website show up better. So if you talk about what you do and where you do it, Google can match your website up with someone who's searching, and basically it makes that connection. They call you up, etc. That leads me to my next point, and that is when someone lands on your website, you want them to have an easy way to contact you, a click to call button, a contact form where they can request a free quote or request a callback. And then you want to lay out your services, what you do, where you do it, like I said before, write descriptions of what you're doing. You can even, from an SEO perspective, you can write some blog posts or some pages about, what is tuckpointing, what is parging, what's the difference between foundation repair and, having to cut out a spot and replace the whole thing, right? Crack repair or just, rebuilding a section of the foundation, different things that people may be looking for, common problems in your area, etc. And basically what that's going to do is someone's going to look for, some information on that. They're going to land on your site. They're going to see, oh, these people, so-and-so Masonry Incorporated explains the difference. They seem really knowledgeable. Let's give them a call, see if they can come out to do the work for us. So those are some things to have on your website. If you don't have a Facebook page, get a Facebook page. If you don't have a Google business listing, get on that as soon as you can. We got some tips on our website about optimizing your Google business listing. It's a really, really important asset for your business. So make sure that you get that up there. But if you're looking for someone to build a website, we've got some awesome monthly plans, really low monthly payments. You can do it in 1 or 2 payments if you want, but we have hooked up several masonry contractors, and we work with contractors across the board. I have a background in contracting myself. I love it. I've kind of come full circle, and I'm helping out contractors this way, building websites, helping with lead generation. We've got some really unique lead generation packages as well, where it's, you don't pay per month, you don't pay per lead. So some interesting stuff going on there that's working really well for us and for the contractors that we work with. So get in touch with us if you need a website, need some advice on a website, need some advice on how to get your website showing up better in the search results, and we'd love to help out. Awesome. Have a fantastic day.